Imagine this. It's a quiet morning. The sun rises, a soft glow touches the curtains, and an older gentleman carefully moves from his bed to the kitchen. His legs feel heavy today, weaker than they used to. For many seniors, this slow decline begins not with a big medical event, but with everyday choices. And surprisingly, one of the most powerful influences on leg strength happens right at the start of the day, at breakfast. Most people over 60 don't connect their morning meal with the way their legs feel. Yet science shows that what you eat when you first wake up can either fuel your muscles, protect your circulation, and stabilize your balance, or slowly drain your energy, weaken your mobility, and increase the risk of falls. This is more than just nutrition. It's about independence, dignity, and the ability to live life fully. A strong pair of legs means freedom. To walk to the park, to climb the stairs at home, to play with grandchildren, to dance at a family wedding. Weak legs, on the other hand, mean fear. Fear of slipping, fear of being dependent, fear of losing the little moments that make life beautiful. And here's the truth. Many seniors unknowingly choose breakfasts that quietly sabotage their strength. Meals that look normal or traditional can leave the body undernourished, inflamed, or energy drained. Day after day, year after year, these breakfasts slowly chip away at leg muscles. In this video, we'll uncover 3 common breakfasts that weaken seniors' legs. More importantly, we'll reveal what to eat instead. Simple, tasty swaps that give energy, protect your muscles, and keep you steady on your feet. This isn't about dieting. It's about survival and strength. Because your legs aren't just muscles. They're your foundation. And breakfast isn't just a meal. It's your body's morning medicine. By the end of this journey, you'll know exactly which foods to avoid, which foods to embrace, and how small morning changes can transform your health after 60. So let's begin. The first step to stronger legs starts at the breakfast table. Chapter 2, The Silent Role of Breakfast in Senior Health. When we talk about senior health, most people think about exercise, medication, or regular checkups. Rarely do we stop and ask, what's happening on the plate every morning? Yet breakfast quietly shapes the way our body feels for the rest of the day. For seniors, the first meal after waking up has even greater importance. During sleep, the body goes through hours without food. Muscles lose some stored energy, blood sugar naturally dips, and hydration levels drop. By the time the morning comes, the body is asking for fuel to repair, protect, and energize itself. If that fuel is nourishing, rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, the body responds with strength and stability. Muscles hold firm, circulation improves, and energy flows. But if the morning meal is poor in nutrients, or too heavy in sugar and processed foods, it sends the opposite signal. Inflammation rises, blood sugar spikes, then crashes, and muscles don't get the building blocks they desperately need. The legs are often the first to show signs of this imbalance. Seniors may feel stiffness when standing up, mild cramping in the calves, or even a sense of weakness when walking short distances. Many blame age alone. But age is not the full story. Breakfast choices quietly shape these experiences every day. Think of breakfast as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is strong, the whole structure stands firm. If the foundation is weak, cracks begin to appear, even if the walls look fine at first. That's why we need to look closely at what seniors are actually eating in the morning. Some traditional choices may bring comfort, but not protection. Some quick fixes may save time, but cost strength. And unfortunately, some breakfasts that appear harmless are slowly undermining senior health in ways that only show up years later. In the next chapters, we will reveal 3 of the most common breakfasts that weaken seniors' legs. You might be surprised, because these are not exotic meals or rare mistakes. They are everyday foods, served in countless homes, believed to be normal. But once you see how they affect your body, you'll understand why change is necessary. And don't worry, we won't just take things away. For every harmful breakfast, we'll give you a simple, natural, and delicious alternative that protects your legs, boosts your energy, and keeps you moving freely. Breakfast can either steal your strength or restore it. The choice begins tomorrow morning. Chapter 3. Breakfast for one that weakens senior legs. Let's start with one of the most common morning habits among seniors. White bread with jam or butter. It feels simple, comforting, and quick. For many, it's been a morning ritual for decades. A slice of soft bread, lightly toasted, perhaps with a sweet topping. It pairs well with coffee or tea and seems harmless. But beneath the comfort lies a hidden challenge for senior health. White bread is highly refined. In the process of making it, most of the fiber, vitamins, and minerals from whole grains are stripped away. What's left is mostly starch, which quickly turns into sugar in the bloodstream. When paired with jam, essentially concentrated sugar, the body is hit with a sudden surge of glucose. For younger people, the body may handle this spike better. But for seniors, whose metabolism slows with age, that sugar surge creates instability. Blood sugar rises sharply, then crashes within hours. This leaves the body feeling drained, weak, and sometimes shaky. More importantly, muscles, especially those in the legs, do not receive the steady supply of nutrients they need to stay strong. Over time, repeated sugar spikes can worsen circulation, stiffen blood vessels, and even contribute to inflammation in the muscles and joints. The result? Seniors may notice more frequent leg cramps, swelling in the ankles, or a general feeling of heaviness when walking. Another problem with white bread and jam is the lack of protein. Muscles require protein every morning to repair and maintain strength. Without it, the body has nothing to rebuild with. Imagine trying to fix a cracked wall without bricks. It simply can't be done. So what's the alternative? Instead of white bread with jam, seniors can switch to whole grain toast with a protein-rich topping. Options like peanut butter, almond spread, or even a slice of boiled egg add both protein and healthy fats. These provide a slow, steady release of energy and give muscles the building blocks they need to stay firm. For those who still crave a hint of sweetness, fresh fruit slices like banana, apple, or berries can be added. Unlike jam, fruit offers natural sugars paired with fiber, which slows down absorption and prevents sudden spikes. The difference is remarkable. Instead of feeling sluggish by mid-morning, seniors who choose this balanced breakfast often report steadier energy, stronger legs, and fewer cramps. It may seem like a small change, just replacing white bread and jam with whole grains and protein, but over weeks and months, this shift becomes a quiet shield of protection for the legs. Remember, breakfast is not only about filling the stomach, it's about fueling the body for stability, strength, and independence. And for seniors, every choice matters. Chapter 4. Breakfast number 2 that weakens senior legs. The second common breakfast that quietly harms senior health is sweetened cereals with milk. At first glance, it seems like a quick, harmless choice. The box often shows bright colors, promises of fortified vitamins, and happy families starting their day. But the truth is very different. Most packaged cereals are loaded with sugar. Even the ones that appear healthy often contain hidden sweeteners. For seniors, this is a double problem. Not only does it create sudden spikes in blood sugar, but it also fails to provide enough real nutrition for muscle strength. Think about it. A bowl of cereal with milk may give a burst of quick energy, but it doesn't last. Within an hour or two, the sugar crash arrives, leaving the body tired, the legs heavy, and sometimes even shaky. This roller coaster of energy is especially dangerous for seniors who need stable fuel to prevent falls and maintain balance throughout the morning. Another issue is the lack of protein and fiber. Muscles need protein every morning to prevent gradual weakening. Without it, legs become more prone to cramps and fatigue. Meanwhile, the lack of fiber means digestion is too fast, worsening the sugar spike. So, what can seniors eat instead? A healthier option is oatmeal topped with nuts and fresh fruit. Unlike sugary cereals, oats release energy slowly. They contain fiber that stabilizes blood sugar and minerals like magnesium that protect muscles from cramping. Adding nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, brings healthy fats and protein. A few slices of banana or berries add natural sweetness without the harmful spike. This small switch turns breakfast into a powerful ally. Instead of leaving seniors weak and tired, it keeps the body steady, the legs strong, and the mind focused. The key lesson here: not all quick breakfasts are bad, but the wrong quick breakfast can slowly steal your independence. Choose wisely, and your legs will thank you with every step. Chapter 5, Breakfast number 3, that weakens senior legs. The third breakfast mistake many seniors make is processed meats like sausages or bacon. They may taste satisfying and bring back memories of hearty family breakfasts, but the hidden dangers are serious. These foods are high in salt, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Too much salt draws water out of the body, leading to morning dehydration. For seniors, this often shows up as stiff joints, muscle cramps, and swelling in the legs or ankles. The unhealthy fats, meanwhile, slow down circulation, making it harder for blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients to leg muscles. The result? Seniors who eat processed meats regularly may feel their legs get heavier over time. Walking short distances becomes tiring, and cramps appear more frequently. What's the better choice? Replace processed meats with lean protein. Options like boiled eggs, grilled chicken slices, or even plant-based protein like tofu provide strength without the harmful additives. Pair them with vegetables or whole grains, and breakfast turns from harmful to healing. It's not about giving up flavor. It's about choosing foods that protect the legs, fuel the muscles, and support long-term independence. Chapter 6, Gentle Morning Alternatives for Senior Health. Now that we've looked at the 3 common breakfasts that weaken senior legs, let's talk about better choices. Foods that protect muscle strength and keep energy steady throughout the day. The first alternative is oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Oats are rich in fiber, which slows digestion and prevents sharp spikes in blood sugar. Adding bananas, blueberries, or apples provides natural sweetness, while nuts like almonds or walnuts add healthy fats and protein. Together, they give seniors a balanced breakfast that keeps legs strong and energy stable. Another option is eggs with vegetables. Whether boiled, scrambled, or made into an omelet, eggs provide complete protein. Pairing them with spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms adds vitamins and minerals that fight cramps and protect circulation. This kind of breakfast feels satisfying without being heavy, making it easier to stay active. For those who enjoy something lighter, yogurt with chia seeds and fresh fruit can be an excellent choice. Yogurt offers calcium and probiotics for bone and gut health, while chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in the joints. These alternatives are not complicated or expensive. They are simple swaps, foods that are already familiar, but prepared in a healthier way. The key is to build each breakfast around protein, fiber, and natural nutrients, instead of sugar and processed fat. By making these small changes, seniors can start each morning with confidence, knowing their legs will carry them strongly through the day. Chapter 7, The Connection Between Morning Habits and Long-Term Senior Health. Breakfast is not just about food. It is about setting the tone for the entire day. The choices seniors make each morning quietly shape their energy, mobility, and long-term health. When the body receives balanced fuel early in the day, blood sugar stays steady, circulation improves, and muscles remain ready for movement. This means fewer leg cramps, less fatigue, and greater confidence with every step. Over weeks and months, these small advantages add up to stronger bones, better posture, and a reduced risk of falls. But when the morning begins with sugary cereals, white bread, or processed meats, the opposite happens. Energy rises and crashes, circulation slows, and inflammation builds inside the body. Seniors may not notice the impact in a single day, but over time, it quietly shortens independence and weakens mobility. That's why nutritionists call breakfast the foundation meal. It is the moment where seniors can either choose weakness or choose strength. Combined with gentle morning habits, like a short walk after eating, stretching, or drinking a glass of water before the meal, the benefits multiply. The message is simple. Your future strength begins today, in the first hour after waking up. By paying attention to breakfast, seniors are not just feeding the stomach. They are protecting their legs, their freedom, and their quality of life. Chapter 8, Conclusion and Call to Action. We've now uncovered 3 common breakfasts that weaken senior legs: white bread, sugary cereals, and processed meats. And we've also seen how simple, nourishing alternatives like oatmeal, eggs with vegetables, and yogurt with fruit can transform mornings into a source of strength. The truth is simple. Every bite in the morning is a choice. It can either drain energy or build it. It can either weaken the legs or protect them. Seniors don't need complicated diets or expensive supplements, just small, consistent changes in the first meal of the day. Imagine waking up, enjoying a breakfast that fuels your muscles, keeps your balance steady, and gives you confidence to walk, move, and live independently. That's the gift of choosing wisely. And remember, it's not too late to start. Even if bad habits have been there for years, each new morning is a fresh opportunity to build better health naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a loved one who may also benefit. And before you go, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Healthy Everyday 24H, and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss another simple natural tip to protect senior health. Your legs carry you through life. Treat them with care, and they will carry you with strength, freedom, and dignity for many years to come.